If you'd like to pause at any time during this video, feel free to do so that you can focus on a certain letter. Hi everyone, this is Janice from the Reading Train, and this is Harley. Harley is an African gray parrot, and she's going to help me today with the 5 vowels. If you can tell me what this letter is, say it out loud. If you said A, that is right. But do you know the 2 sounds that A makes? If you said A and A, that is right. Who can tell me what letter this is? If you said E, that's right. But who knows what sound E makes? It makes 2 sounds. If you said and E, that's right. What about this letter here? Who can tell me what letter this is? If you said I, that's right. Who knows the 2 sounds that I makes? If you said I and I, that's right. Now we're going to look down here. Who knows what letter this is down here? If you said O, that's right. O can sometimes be tricky because O looks like the shape circle. And it also looks like the number 0. So this can be a little tricky sometimes to a lot of children. But this is an O, the letter O. Now let's go on to the sounds. Who knows what sounds an O make? It makes 2 sounds. If you said ah and O, you are right. Let's move on to this letter here. Who knows what letter this is? If you said you are right. Who knows the 2 sounds that U makes? If you said and you are right. Thanks for joining us, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see if I can get Harley to come back over. There we go. Say goodbye, Harley. Harley doesn't like to talk in the video. She is a little bit shy, but I may show her in some of the other videos, and she does like to sit and watch. If you liked this video, don't forget to click on subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.